Good afternoon, my dears. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, so this is your English period. Which period is this? This is your English period. Okay, so we have learned vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. We have learned vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so and we have written so many words related A sound, E sound, I sound, O and U sound. Now we are doing exercises. What we are doing? Exercises. So we have done exercise related E, I, O. Okay, now today we will do exercise related U sound. Okay, which sound? U sound. And what is the sound of U? What is the sound of U? Okay, so all of you take out your notebook, pencils, erasers. Okay, and take help of your parents to draw the picture. Take help of your parents to draw the picture. Okay, first you understand that, and after that you take help of your parents and you draw the pictures and do it in your notebook. Okay, so you have learned, you have know there are so many that words in which we have U sound, in which we have U sound, and sound of U is and sound of U is So look here, draw lines connecting vowel sound U. What we have to do? Here some pictures are made and this is letter U, vowel sound U. What we have to do? We have to draw the lines, the picture which have U sound, which have vowel sound U. Okay. Now, first look at this picture. Which picture is this? This is a picture of cat. This is picture of cat. So, which sound is coming? The T. Its U sound is coming? No. A sound is coming. A sound is coming. So, we will match it? No, we will not match it. What is this? This is scissor. What we do? We cut the papers or cloth with scissor. So, cut. T. Cut. So, U sound is coming? T. Yes. So, what we will do? We will match U with picture of scissor. What we will do? We will match picture of U with scissor. T. Cut. Now, look at the next picture. The picture is this sun. The picture is this sun. So, which sound is coming? N. Sun. So, N. Sun. So, U sound is coming in this picture? Yes. So, what we will do? We will match U with picture sun. Okay. Now, look at this. Which is this picture? Which picture is this? This is picture of bus. 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 So, U sound is coming in this picture? Yes. So, what we will do? We will match it. Okay. What we will do? We will match this. Now, look at the picture is this? This picture of bib. Bib. So, U sound is coming in this picture? No. Which sound is coming? E. Which sound is coming? E. So, we will match it? No, we will not match it. Now, look at next picture. The picture is this? Hut. So, U sound is coming in this picture? Hut. Yes, U sound is coming in this picture. So, what we will do? We will match with picture. Okay, done. Now, next, fill in the missing letter in each word. What we have to do? We have to fill the missing letter in each word. Okay, we have to identify the picture and then which sound is coming, we have to write here. Okay, so now look here. Look at the board. Yes, and you have to start writing. Draw the pictures. Draw the pictures. Take help of your parents. Take help of your parents. Yes, and draw the pictures. Okay. What you will do? You will take help of your parents and draw the picture. Okay. Now, fill in the missing letter in each word. You know what we have to do? We have to fill the missing letter in each word. Okay. Now look here. Which picture is this? This picture of scissor. What we do? What we do with scissor? We cut the paper, cloth. Okay. So cut. Which letter will come? Which sound will come? U. Cut. Cut. Okay. Now look at the next picture. Which picture is this? This is picture of jug. Which picture is this? This is picture of jug. Now look here. Jug. So which letter will come? U. Which letter will come? U. Jug. Jug. Okay. Now look here. Which picture is this? This is picture of bug. This picture of bug. You have to draw this picture and you have to color it also. Okay. What you have to do? You have to color all this picture so that your notebook will look beautiful. Which picture is this? This picture of bug. Picture of bug. Bug. So which letter will come? U. Which letter will come? U. Picture of bug. Picture of bug. Okay. What you have to write? U. Next. Which picture is this? This is picture of gun. Picture of gun. This picture of gun. 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 So what will come here? Letter U. Gun. Okay. Look here. Picture of scissor. Cut. Jug. Bug. Gun. Okay. Yes. After that, after finishing that, you have to color the picture also. Okay. Now, draw a circle around the word that have Here some words are given. What you have to do? You have to circle that word, okay, which have U sound. Now, look here. Now, H-U-T. Hut. D-O-T. Dot. G-U-N. Gun. T-E-N. Pen. S-U-N. Sun. L-I-D. Lid. C-U-P. Cup. B-O-X. Box. T-I-N. Tin. Okay. Here some words are given. What you have to do? The words which have U sound. We have to circle that word. Okay. The word which have U sound, we have to circle that word. Okay. Now look here. Now all of you look here. This is H-U-T. Hut. How you will read? Hut. Hut. So U sound is coming in this word. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle this word. Okay. What you will do? You will circle this word. Now look here. Dot. Dot. So this sound is coming. O. U sound is coming. No. So you circle this word. No. We will not circle this word. Now next. Gun. 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 U sound is coming. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle the picture. What you will do? You will circle the picture. Now next word. Pen. Pen. So which sound is coming? A sound. Its sound is coming? No. So what you will do? You will circle it. You will circle this? No, we will not circle the word. What you have to do? You have to circle the word with crayons. Okay? How you will circle? Circle this word with crayons. What you will do? When you circle the word, now don't use sketch pen, use only crayons to do circle. Okay. Now next word. Sun. Sun. So U sound is coming in this word. Yes. So what you will do? You will circle the word. Okay, with crayons only. You will circle the words with crayons only. Now, lid. Lid. This sound is coming. E. This U sound is coming. No. So you will circle this word. No. You will not circle this word. Very good. Good, my dears. Now look here. The next letter. Cup. Which sound is coming? Up. So what you will do? You will circle. Say loudly now. You will circle or not? Yes, we will do circle. Only circle with crayons only. Circle with crayons only. Now, look here. Next letter. Box. Box. So, this sound is coming. O. This sound is coming. O. So, you will circle it. No, we will not circle this letter. Okay. Now, at last word. Look here. Tin. tin. So which sound is coming? E sound. It's U sound? No. So what you will do? We will not circle the word. Okay. So what we have learned in this? The words which have U sound, we have circled only that word. The word which have U sound, we have circled only that words. Okay. So all this exercise which we have done today, you have to do in your English notebook. Okay. And color the pictures. Color the pictures. In this, you circle the words with crayons only. Okay. Use different color crayons. Okay. And circle all the words properly. So complete this exercise in your notebook and do work properly. Send me the homework pictures also to me. Okay. Till then, bye and have a nice day.